Hey guys, let's practice some questions. Also, for your reference, I will be uploading my notes. They have more practice questions, so you can get better at all of these methods. Also, in the end of those notes, I have covered spring mass system and series circuit. If they are in your syllabus, you can go through with those notes. They are basically the same questions, just turned into word problems. So first let's practice these, and if you guys need a video on the spring mass system and circuit system, comment below and I'll make one for you. So first let's start with this question. So this is t square d square minus 2td minus 4 times x is t square plus 2 log t. So theta square minus theta minus 2 theta minus 4 x is equal to t square plus 2 log t. So we're gonna write t as e raised to z, which means that z is ln t. So this becomes theta square minus 3 theta minus 4 times x is e raised to 2z plus 2z. So now let's take this part and replace theta with m. So we're finding the CF basically. M square minus 3m minus 4 is equal to 0. So I can write this as m minus 4 times m plus 1 is equal to 0. So m1 is equal to 4 and m2 is equal to minus 1. So xc becomes c1 e raised to 4z plus c2 e raised to minus z. So if you compare with this with c1 x1 plus c2 x2, your x1 becomes e raised to 4z and your x2 becomes e raised to minus z. So using this, let's find our pi. I am using the method of variation of parameter so that we can practice that as well. So w is equal to x1, x2, x1 dash, x2 dash. So it's e raised to 4z, e raised to minus z, 4 times e raised to 4z minus e raised to minus z. So let's multiply this. We get minus e raised to 3z minus 4 e raised to 3z. So that's minus 5 e raised to 3z. Now your xp is uz times x1 plus vz times x2. So the formula for uz is minus integral x2 times fz divided by w dz is equal to negative x2 is e raised to minus z, fz is e raised to 2z plus 2z divided by minus 5 e raised to 3z dz. Remember guys, fz is your RHS of the equation. So let's solve this. So I'm going to take out the constants. This minus will get cancelled. 1 by 5 integral. Let's take this e raised to 3z in the numerator. So e raised to minus 4z times e raised to 2z plus 2z dz is equal to 1 by 5 integral e raised to minus 2z plus 2z e raised to minus 4z dz. So now let's integrate this. 1 by 5 e raised to minus 2z divided by minus 2 plus 2 times, here we're going to use integration by parts. So leave the first term as it is, integrate the second, minus integration of differentiation of first, that is 1, times integration of the second, that is e raised to minus 4z minus 4. 1 by 5 e raised to minus 2z divided by minus 2 plus 2 times z e raised to minus 4z divided by minus 4. Let's take the plus 1 by 4 outside and integrate this, so it will become e raised to minus 4z divided by minus 4 again. So let me just simplify this. It becomes 1 by 5 e raised to minus 2z divided by 2 plus 2z e raised to minus 4z divided by minus 4 plus 2 divided by minus 16 e raised to minus 4z. Let's just multiply this to make it easier. So it's minus e raised to minus 2z divided by 10. Let's cancel this. Minus z e raised to minus 4z divided by 10. Let's cancel this as well. Plus e raised to minus 4z divided by 40. Sorry, this is minus. So this is the value of your uz. Now let's find vz, which is equal to integral x1 times fz divided by w dz. So x1 was e raised to 4z. This is your fz divided by minus 5 e raised to 3z dz. So I'm going to take out the minus 1 by 5. Integral, let's cancel this 3z and here we're remaining x. Ez e raised to 2z plus 2z dz. E raised to 3z plus 2z e raised to z dz. Let's continue. Minus 1 by 5 e raised to 3z divided by 3 plus twice, here again integration by parts, z, integration of ez is ez, minus integration of differentiation of z is 1 and integration of ez is ez. E raised to 3z by 3 plus twice of z e raised to z minus e raised to z. So let's quickly finish this. Guys, make sure your plus and minus signs are correct, otherwise the entire question will go wrong. So your xp becomes uz times x1 plus vz times x2. So we calculated the uz, it's this. So it's minus e raised to minus 2z divided by 10 minus z e raised to minus 4z divided by 10 minus e raised to minus 4z divided by 40 multiplied with e raised to 4z plus this is your vz minus e raised to 3z divided by 15 minus 2z e raised to z divided by 5 plus 2 e raised to z divided by 5 multiplied with e raised to minus z. So we can simplify this. Let's multiply the e raised to 4z and e raised to minus z with the brackets. So we're left with minus e raised to 2z by 10 minus z by 10 minus 1 by 40 plus e raised to 2z, sorry, minus e raised to 2z by 15 minus 2z by 5 plus 2 by 5. Now let's club the like terms. So this and this will be clubbed. Minus e raised to 2z by 10 minus e raised to 2z by 15 minus z by 10 minus 2z by 5, this and this, and the last this and this, plus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 40. So let's take the LCM as 30. 3e raised to 2z minus 2e raised to 2z minus 10 z plus 4z plus 40, 16 minus 1. So this becomes minus 5e raised to 2z by 30 minus 5z by 10 plus 15 by 40. So this is minus e raised to 2z by 6 minus z by 2 plus 3 by 8. So this is the value of your xp. So the final answer is x is equal to xc plus xp. So your x becomes c1 e raised to 4z plus c2 e raised to minus z minus e raised to 2z by 6 minus z by 2 plus 3 by 8. Now we just need to change z in terms of t, and then our answer will be complete. So t is e raised to z and z is ln t. So let's make those changes. X is equal to c1 t raised to 4 plus c2 t raised to minus 1 minus t square by 6 minus ln t by 2 plus 3 by 8. This is the final answer. If you guys have any doubts, leave them in the comment section. I'll answer. Thank you.